Now, you know what? This still isn't right. Hang on just a second. Oops, something's not right. 1 second, let me fix this. And now we've got it right. You know what? Don't worry about it, Oz. We'll leave it to the editor to straighten that mess out. Today, welcome to cockAtails. That's cocktails with a cockatoo. We're the Wizard and Oz, and we're here to make an Anejo Old Fashioned. This is a really refreshing drink on a hot summer's day, and trust me, it is a hot summer's day. So let's get this party started. We're gonna do a little bit of mashing first. Let me grab my little tongs here, because we're gonna grab a couple of cherries, drop them down in the bottom. We're gonna give that a little bit of a mash. Yes, technical terms, mashing. There we go. Now we're gonna add some ice, because now that we've mashed that up, we got room for ice. So you gotta do your mashing before the ice, because then, no? Yes, you do the mashing before the ice. I don't know what you're thinking. You know, sometimes you make no sense at all. Sometimes it makes too much sense. What are we gonna do with you? I don't know. All right. Whoop, 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 whoop. Stop it. They're still over there. See that pretty? Oh yeah, there you go. Now you got this. All right, we're gonna do a couple of dashes of orange bitters. 1, 2, and always the recipe is in the comments there. We're going to do a little splash of the Luxardo. So I'm gonna take a bar spoon. You gonna help me pour? Here we go. A healthy bar spoon, how about that? And now we've got a little orange liqueur. You could use Cointreau, Grand Marnier. In this case, I'm using Harlequin, and we're gonna do a 1 shot of this. I love it when you help me measure. Woo! Pouring delicately, and he missed. We're almost professionals. All right, I gotta make up for that part there. Hold on. Ha ha ha! And 1 minute, please. If you don't sit facing that way, I'm gonna put you up here, and then you have no perch at all. I know. What are we gonna do? What are you, Italian, talking with your hands now? Don't worry about it. Anyway, we're gonna do 2 shots of tequila. I happen to like this one a lot. Salvecchia, whatever. That one. You get it, I get it, we got it. 2 shots. Oh, hey, I hit the bottle this time. Very nice. Getting better at this stuff. One of these days, I'll have this down. Now, we're going to put a lid on it. We're gonna give it a good shake. Come here. Kiss it for luck. Thank you. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Oh, I like the way you bounce. That helps me a lot. Yeah. Okay. Now, we're going to dress this up. Check this out. Something brand new. I'm hoping I can get this to work with my tongs. Check this bad boy out. It's an orange in my slice, orange slice in my ice. Cool. And there it is. Scaring everybody. Let's spin that around so you can see it. Oh, there we go. Very cool. Nice decoration. We're gonna give this another shake just for, come here, get up there. Get that out of the way. Now you can't turn around on it. See? Gotcha. And you can see the bits of cherry floating around in there, which is really kind of cool. Anejo Old Fashioned. Give it a try. Oh yeah, wow, really refreshing. That Luxardo adds a nice cherry flavor to it. You got the orange from the Cointreau. So you got a little orange, you got a little cherry. You got some tequila. Clears your sinuses. Go for it, have a great day. We hope you enjoyed today's episode. We hope you'll subscribe, share with your family and friends, ask your questions below in the comments. That's where you'll also find the recipes. We'll talk to you soon. Hope to see you again next time on Ozcapades or cockAtails.